I'm here with the topic animal habitat. Now we will discuss about what is a habitat. Habitat is the place of an organism where organisms live. This is also called as the living place or the dwelling place of an organism. Animals live everywhere on the earth. The place where an animal lives or is found naturally is called as its habitat. There are 5 main habitats on the earth of the animals. These are the forests, deserts, polar regions, oceans and freshwater. We will discuss each one by one. Forest habitat. Forest is a vast region that is covered densely by trees and different varieties of plants. Forests provides shelter to animals like lion, tiger, deer, fox, which live on land and trees. Insects also live in the forest. These animals breathe through the lungs. Next is the desert habitat. A desert is a sandy and dry region as it receives very little rainfall. It is usually hot during the day and cold at night. Due to this reason, the animals found here have special features that help them to live in such harsh conditions. Deserts are very much hot during the daytime, so animals have adapted themselves to survive under these conditions. Animals during the daytime, they dug the burrows and get inside the burrows to escape from the heat of the sun. Here, animals show less sweating. These animals have a thick skin that helps them to avoid water loss through sweating, and most other hide in their burrows to escape the heat. For example, as you have seen camel. Camel is also called as the ship of the desert. It has a hump on its back in which camel stores water. Next is the polar region habitat. Polar region is the coldest region. The regions near the north and south poles on the earth are called polar regions. The North Pole is called as the Arctic and the South Pole is called as the Antarctica. Animals have adapted themselves to survive in such cold conditions. They have thick skin or fur which protects them from the snow. Many animals live in groups to protect themselves from the cold. The animals which survive in the Arctic and the Antarctic regions are penguins, polar bears, seals and Arctic fox. These animals have developed special features to cope up with such cold weather. As I have told you, their skin is covered with the fur or with a thick layer of the fat which protects them from the cold weather. Next is the ocean habitat. Ocean is a vast and a continuous body of the salty water. It is considered as the largest habitat on the earth. A large variety of the animals are found here. Some of them are whale, dolphin, seal, seahorse and octopus. These animals are well adapted to live in the salty water. These animals breathe through their gills and they take the dissolved oxygen through water. Next is the freshwater habitat. Ocean habitat comprises of the salty water, but freshwater habitat comprises of a minimal quantities of the dissolved salts in it. Those animals which live under the freshwater habitat are insects like frogs, reptiles. Some examples of the freshwater habitat are ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, etc. This fresh water is available to us and is meant for the drinking. Next is feeding habitats of various animals. On the basis of the feeding habitats, animals have been categorized into 3 categories, that is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are those animals whose diet is plant based, that is these animals feed only upon the plants. For example, bear. Next is carnivores. These are the flesh eating animals, that is carnivores eats mainly or exclusively meat. For example, lion, tiger, wolf. Next is omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants as well as the animals. The animals which comes under the omnivores categories are human beings, bear, raccoons, etc. Next is migration. Migration is the movement of animals from one place to another in search of food or to reproduce or for obtaining the shelter. These animals move from one place to another in search of food or for some other purposes. These animals travel in large groups from one place to another. For example, these are the Siberian crans. Siberian cranes migrate from India to Siberia. So, in this chapter, we read about the different categories of animals, about the different habitats, their feeding habits as well as the migration. Thank you. This is all about today's topic.